Welcome back, everybody. After a very busy start to your day, we're seeing some quieter conditions across the region. Right now, we're taking a live look out over Little River. Still some drizzle going across the area. Still very cloudy as well. Also breezy. We're not going to be seeing that breeze clear out until later on this evening. It will stay on the gusty side throughout the afternoon today because we're still dealing with the back end of Elsa as she moves further away from our area. Temperatures right now in the 80s along the beaches, still in the 70s for everybody else, 79 degrees for Conway, Marion looking at 73 degrees, Florence sitting at 77. Later on this afternoon, pretty much everybody will be up in the 80s with Elsa moving through. She kind of evened the playing field. Normally we see the PD a lot warmer than the beaches, but for today, everybody's going to be hot and humid. Elsa helped to mix up that air, so everybody will be in the low 80s for this afternoon, which is below average for pretty much everyone, but it's still going to be hot and humid overall with all the moisture hanging out overhead. So as of right now, we're actually seeing pretty quiet conditions. A couple of light showers are popping up through the region, but all of the heavy rain as well as the risk for severe weather, that has moved further off to the north and away from our region. Severe outlook as of right now, we still do see that slight to marginal risk for some severe thunderstorms that will start to get trimmed later on this afternoon as it moves further away from our area. As of right now, that slight is really just for North Myrtle Beach, kind of up towards Little River, and that marginal risk is from Myrtle Beach back out towards Lumberton. But like I said, that's going to be trimmed away from our area. Same goes for that tornado risk. This was that 2 to 5% chance for earlier this morning. We did have that 5% all along the beaches to start off the day. It's already been trimmed a little bit further to the north, and we're going to continue to see that for the second part of today. We're also seeing that tornado watch being trimmed. It was through our area overnight last night and into this morning. That is being trimmed as Elsa continues to march further off to the north. Still seeing the tropical storm warning though. That is going to stick around probably until later on this evening, possibly into overnight tonight, because we are still going to see some pretty rough weather just along the beaches, some really high surf, choppy waves, things like that. So we're going to continue to see that tropical storm warning for a bit longer. Futurecast, we already saw the heavy rain moving through our area. Elsa right now kind of moving out towards Laurinburg, crossing over the state line and into North Carolina. That being said, we're still seeing a chance for a couple more showers, particularly on the back end when we see that wraparound moisture moving into our area. We're going to be seeing a couple more scattered showers, could be seeing a bit of some thunder and some lightning out there later on this evening. But as we move through the overnight hours, we really start to clear out. By tomorrow morning, Elsa is well off to the north and to the east away from our area. And then for the weekend, we are seeing more chances for some storms, but it's just kind of generic heat-driven activity. Right now, Elsa moving off to the northeast at 20 miles per hour, picking up speed, wind speed right now at 45. Like I said, by tomorrow morning, she's already well up towards New York, pushing off of the Jersey Shore, so she'll be well away from our area, and we'll be seeing some quieter conditions for tomorrow morning. Beach forecast, it's going to be hot and humid out there, back up into the 90s and upper 80s for the weekend. And then for next week, along the beaches, we are in the 90s, further in the PD, even warmer out there, up into the mid-90s for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Some sunshine out there, followed by some storms in the afternoon.